Guys, today I am going to show you how to generate payment voucher for your month and payroll. Once you've done the configuration for once, every month what you need to do is as simple as below. Go to Payroll, Generate Payment Voucher, Journal Entry. Select the month-end process that you want to import into SQL Account. Click Generate. Save the zip file into your computer. Now you can log into your SQL account. Click File, then Import. Select SQL Payroll. Click Select File, and select the zip file that you have saved. After that, press Execute. You will see a message stating that import was successful. You can check your import by clicking Journal Entry. A new journal has been created showing you month's total salary, allowance, contributions and payment. That's all of this video. Thank you.